Okay, so in this video we're going over week 4, module 8, July 1st through the 4th. So this is basically just chapter 13, reading chapter 13, craft media and useful objects. I don't have any lecture videos for this, so just read in the book. Take the quiz on chapter 13 by July 4th before 11:30 p.m. and then watch this History of Art in 3 colors. It's all about gold, about the color gold. And then complete the corresponding quiz, which is below, by Sunday, July 4th by 11:30 p.m. And then also project number 2, the public art project, is due by this Sunday, July 4th. So you'll have to get that submitted. So moving down, we have the PowerPoint for chapter 13. We have the chapter 13 quiz. It has a couple more questions on it, 17 questions. You have 27 minutes to complete it. Here's the gold quiz. Now this attaches to 15-minute segments on YouTube. Unfortunately, this is the only way that I could find the full episode. I didn't have it all in one. I couldn't get it all in one section. So basically just click on these to watch the gold History of Art in 3 colors gold episode. It's 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I give you that. I think this whole thing is an hour long or maybe a little bit less. You have 1 hour and 10 minutes to complete the quiz. So I suggest watching the documentary and then taking the quiz at the same time. So maybe watching it on, your phone or an iPad and then taking the quiz on a separate device. And you only get one attempt, so pay attention while you're watching that documentary on the color gold. Remember to watch all 4 segments. So here's the first one, second, third, and fourth segment. And then here's the project number 2, upload. File upload. A PDF or Word doc file works good for that, or you can go into activities assignments and do it there, upload your file there. So that is module number 8, and we'll see you guys later.